Hello. In this session, we are going to discuss about log widget on dashboard. So this widget are very much helpful to get the informations into the format of a logs where based on the fleet activities, the information used to get captured into software and accordingly the informations of the parameters of the widgets are available. So let's try to understand each widgets of this logs widget into the dashboard. When the users log in into the account, user need to navigate onto the dashboard and based on the selections of the widget setting, the informations of the log parameters need to be enabled and accordingly the information that are available under the parameters will be reflected. So let's try to understand each widget into detail. So here there is the informations of inactive device. So this widget will give the informations of the total number of the devices versus the days since since when the particular vehicle have been inactive since. So here you can find the information like this particular total number of 33 devices have been inactive since last more than 1 day only. Likewise, the information of the days with the devices total count will give the information of inactive devices. Apart from that, the email logs information parameters are available as well. So based on the filter selections of the days as well as the month parameters, you will find the total number of days and on the emails that has been used for a particular specific date. So here you can find the information on a specific date. The total number of the emails that has been used with its count will be reflected, and email versus days information will be reflected for the email logs. Likewise, the information is available for the faulty devices parameters. That is, in the case if the particular devices are faulty where the errors code have been generated and reported by the devices. So that information will be reflected with its error code and total number of the devices that are currently faulty. So for that specific time and a date, the informations with its widget will be available for the faulty devices. Now, accordingly, the informations of the data frequency parameters are available as well. That is, you will find the informations where for what specific seconds the data are transmitting into the server for how many devices. So with this, you can find the information like this particular widget devices, total number of 24 devices are transmitting data for 5 seconds. So likewise, the informations will be reflected into the seconds versus the total number of devices that are transmitting the data onto the server. Likewise, we have the information for the violations logs into the system. That is based on the filter selection. You will find the information on what specific time or date the number of the violations have been generated. Accordingly, you can measure how many number of the violations have been generated into software and parameters of the violations logs can be measured for a specific time. So these are the logs widgets available on the dashboard. Thank you.